Hey everyone, Andrew Graves with Strength and Wisdom Fitness, and today I want to talk about the lunge. Super popular exercise and a great exercise, and I've had a lot of variations of it over the years and watched a lot of other people talk about it. People who are physical therapists who also do weight training or who are also personal trainers who are really focusing on that longevity, tendon health aspect of it. And the lunge can pose kind of a danger over time if it's done either uncontrolled or sort of incorrectly. So what I want to talk about today is being able to do the exercise and get the benefit of it without putting yourself at unnecessary risk. That's really what I want to get across here. So a common thing you see when people do the lunge is they step forward into the lunge. Everybody does this, it's super normal. Either you're holding something or you're just body weight, and when you step out, boom, right? Step up, step through, boom. Barely touch the knee, all right? Gotta be careful on the knee, and come up. Okay, the only issue with this, especially when you weight it with kettlebells in your hands or however you do it, is you'll have a habit when you step forward into the lunge, right here. My weight will drive into my knee, and the angle of my force is like 45 degrees to the ground over my toe. So I get into the lunge this way, right? And it's not true that in every exercise, knee over the toe is bad, but in this one, it kind of is, because I'm stepping down into it, and especially once I get fatigued, right? And I'm 20, 30 reps in, I'll start to just fall into my knee right here, and it's very stressful. So a simple fix is step back into your lunges, okay? So when I step back, let's say my left leg is my working leg, I step back into my lunge. See now, because I'm stepping back, it brings my weight more evenly straight down the side of my body. It's just easier for me to conceptualize, especially when I get fatigued, that I want to take my body down, and you can see the alignment here. The knee is not passing over the toe, okay? You can do the lunges two ways. I like to just stay in the lunge position and just go up and down. So like this, bop, bop. And although my knee is bending in the same fashion as if I was stepping, I'm not falling into that motion. And that's the distinction there. So you want to account for fatigue when you're trying to evaluate benefit versus risk. So you can do them like this. You can weight these also. I like to do these with something in my hand, but whatever progression you're at, that's fine. Or you can alternate, where you go here, controlled stand up, switch legs, still stepping back. Boom, like this. Boom, and you can pick up the pace here. And it's nice to just have the confidence that as I get tired and my form starts to break down a little bit, maybe I start to lean. See how my top is starting to lean over, which is what happens when you start to get out of breath. My fatigue isn't adding that extra risk factor because I'm not falling into my front knee. So that's a simple fix. I only recently fixed this a couple years ago, so I did it wrong for a long time, or not wrong, but with unnecessary risk. So that's the lunge. That's what I want to go over there today, and thank you.